Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through creating an animated Christmas star in Photoshop that swings from left to right continuously, similar to a pendulum motion. And finally, you can export your project as to MP4 video file or .gif image to use on websites like emailbackgrounds.com. To begin, you'll need to create two layers, one for the background image and one for the star image. And we'll make this star swing or sway from left to right. The download links for these image files can be found in the YouTube video description. Using the mouse, click on the Move tool. Then check the boxy Show Transform control. After that, click on the star image. You'll notice the reference point that located in the center of the star is hidden. To make it visible, go to Menu, Edit, Preferences, Tools, and select the Show Reference Point when using Transform option. Move the star to the top like this. Then select Menu, Windows, Timeline. Click on button to create video timeline. Shorten the timeline to run the animation in 2 seconds. Right-click on the star layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This step is needed to display the transform function on the timeline. The background layer hasn't been converted to a smart object, so you won't see the transform button. Drag the timeline indicator to the center at position 01. Then move the star's center point to the top like this. And input a rotation angle of 5 degrees. Press Enter. And then Enter again. Then, return to the star layer's timeline. Click the Transform button to create a keyframe on the timeline. Drag this keyframe to the first position 00. Then click the Transform button again. And drag this keyframe to the last position number 02. Go back and click on the star layer. Move the star's center point to the top as before. Then input a rotation angle of -5 degrees. Press Enter. And then Enter again to automatically create a keyframe at position 01. This means the starting and ending points of the movement will have the star tilted 5 degrees to the left. The middle point will have the star tilted 5 degrees to the right. Press the play button to see the star swinging naturally from right to left. Choose a loop playback for a continuous check. To save as .mp4 video file, click here and select the Render Video the menu. Set the file name. Choose the folder location and then press the Render button. To save as a .gif animation, click on Menu, File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Change the file format to GIF. Press the play button to preview the GIF animation. Then, press the Save button to finish. And there you have it. Your Christmas star swinging in Photoshop. Give me a like if you found this video helpful. And I hope you'll hit the bell and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching and have a joyful holiday season.